Auto-cycle traders, welcome to another session of Poetry with the Auto-cycle Trader. If you are new on the channel, kindly subscribe. Also, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and click the notification button so that you get notified as when I post new content on the channel. And it's amazing, today is Thursday. I'm still holding a bearish bias today. I'm anticipating for price to move further to the downside. Yeah, so as you know, what is happening with Poetry, it's accumulation, manipulation and expansion. So that's what we're focusing on this channel, trading Poetry consistently. So today I'm still holding a bearish bias just like yesterday, so I'm still anticipating a continuation as price is trading below the weekly opening price. So I'm really anticipating a bearish bias and looking at the weekly opening price as my equilibrium area of resistance. So what are we seeing here? As price develop now, it's accumulation and manipulation. So from here, I'm anticipating an expansion move to the downside. As you can see, there was an accumulation during the agent session, and price coming out from the agent session, it rallied up to the opening price, the weekly opening price. And it also came to this area. As you check on the hour time frame, this area, it's an order block. So that's where I took this particular trade. You see on this pin bar, this is where I took this particular trade. So I've placed my stop just above the pin bar, and I've also trailed the position of yesterday, so that if I am wrong with my bias, I can only be taken out on this stop loss here. So already I've locked the pips of yesterday. This is just an addition of the position that I was holding yesterday, so it's an additional trade. So yeah, I'm anticipating for a move to the downside. That is my bias for today, as I'm waiting for price to develop and see what is really going to happen. But as far as I'm concerned now, and as price develop now, you know, things are still okay in terms of my bias. You see, in terms of my bias, things are still okay. As price is still holding below, you know, this pin bar, of which is where I entered. So yeah, this is where I took the trade. So yeah, let's just wait and see how price is going to move. You know, we're still waiting for the New York session to open. There are news that are coming up. I think is the core PPI, and so yeah, it's let's just wait to see how price will be developing from now till the New York session. So I think that institutions are still holding price in this area. As you can see, price, it hasn't moved in this area. There hasn't been any move from this area. There's just been, you know, it has been ranging within, you know, within this area. So I will come back with an update after the fundamentals, after the news are out, because I don't know what's gonna happen when the news are released. So yeah, let's just wait and see what is going to happen. So my target for today is just, you know, 20 pips below the previous daily low. So and then so yeah, let us wait and see what is going to happen and how price is going to unfold. So if I am wrong on my bias, I'll be taken out on my stop loss. And yeah, if I am right, so this is just a 1:4, trade risk reward, and with additional of yesterday trade, that's that's about at about 1:10, somewhere there. So it's a great risk reward. Society traders, we're back again with an update on this particular trade. So prices unfolded as anticipated, and as you can see, but I'm still anticipating for price to come 20 pips below the previous daily low. So far it has went 10 pips below the previous daily low, but this area which is my draw on liquidity, this particular low, you see this low here, this is my sell side liquidity. This is where I'm anticipating for price to come, and purge the stop losses that are here on this low, and then begin to distribute tomorrow. So that's what I'm anticipating. That's what I want to see from now moving forward. So yeah, part 3, it's happening and it's amazing. It's happening and it's amazing. It's happening and it's amazing. As I told you yesterday when I was speaking about a week of a candle, that it creates a void in price action, and when there is a move to the upside of another candle, it only seeks to fill that void here. You see here, as this candle open, it rally up to fill up this particular void here, to fill up the void here, just like what happened here prior the news release. You see price moving down and taking out the low, and then it moves back to fill up the void, and then it sells off. So that's the generic of price action and how it is engineered. So yeah, it is amazing. It is amazing. It is amazing with the Society Trader, Power 3, accumulation, manipulation to the upside, and then what are institutions doing? They place their first trade, second trade, third trade, they drive price down. Where are they driving price to? The sell side liquidity, which is our area of draw in price. So yeah, it's so amazing. It's so amazing. Once you understand this and you understand your setup, there is no need for you to worry when you miss a trade, because you know when your setup will unfold, and you know which day and what time are you expecting your setup. It happens every day, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you must trade every day. It only means that you are aware and you are conscious, of when are you going to see your setup playing out. That speaks of price, time, and theory. So yeah, part 3, generic, practical, and feasible. It's happening. Let us wait and see if price is coming to this low here. Yeah, so I don't know if it will go down further, but I'm anticipating for a move to this particular low and then a distribution. So yeah, I don't know where it's going to distribute. I don't care where it's going to distribute, but what
want to see is price delivery. That's what I want to see. When it's being delivered, you know that we are inside. You know that we're inside. We are inside. And yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. Just kill them the right way. You kill them charts the right way. Price has been delivered below the previous daily low, 20 pips below the previous daily low. And yeah, I've closed my trades. So yeah, but it didn't, hit the low. So it might come back down, and I don't know what's going to happen. But yeah, I'm out of this trade. I was only targeting 20 pips below the previous daily low. Hope you enjoyed this session, and it impacts your trading career positively. I wish you all the best. I am signing out. Cheers.